What's going on, everyone?
Hello, everyone.
You might notice there's only two of us here. That's because today we've split up. We're doing a little DIY day today. So Teva and I, we're doing perfume making at this building right behind us. We're going to go in, make ourselves some awesome smelling perfumes and see how we go. Ian and Franca are far away. They're making stamps. If you want to see that video, click up here. Make sure to check that one out. At the end of the day, we're going to meet up and compare what we've made. So we're about to take you into the class with us.
Let's go. Something like in not in a big open space, like closed environment, with kind of chill music.
Okay. Not very
I don't know how. Yes.
Little gentle.
Yes. Kind of.
Yeah, I want something that will, like, you know, people will know that I've been there. Like leave the sentiment.
Yeah,
Make
invisible tail.
yeah, like a statement kind of thing. Something like unique is what I'm looking for.
Okay, let's do it.
Cool, sounds good. Number one. Oh, that's nice. That is like winter. What do you think?
I will put the middle one.
Yeah, I'll say I'm like a maybe.
Not sure.
Not
Yeah,
sure. I want to smell the other ones as well. Number 11, spearmint. Oh, toothpaste.
Yeah.
It smells like the
That's
toothpaste.
true.
Yeah. Nah, I don't like.
Oh, yeah.
No, thank you. No.
But once again, maybe mixing with the others.
Yes,
and
yeah.
change
As like a
That's
top
true.
note, yeah.
Yes, the magical
Yeah.
the combination.
Yeah.
Number
12.
12.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Ooh.
Oh, I do like coconut.
Island smell.
Oh yeah, it's really fresh. Like, even though I'm putting the maybe, because like even though I want like a winter like darker one, it's still just such a nice smell. If you look at the comparisons, I'm very strict. I've got a lot of no's and then 4 maybes, 3 yeses. Although this one might come back to the yeses.
Are you very strict?
Teva,
I'm more like a bit everywhere.
been everywhere. Yeah, he's got a lot of yeses, maybes, and very across the board. That is instant yes. I've smelled this a lot in different colognes. It always smells so nice. Yeah, no, that's really good. I love the coconut smell. Yes.
After you done the check, I'm going to give my recommendation.
Okay. Cool. Alright, we've finished all the smells, all 34. Got a big list. Want to smell a couple of them again though, just to make sure. How do you think?
To adjust a bit because the floral, yeah, I think maybe some.
Yeah. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 yeses from Teva. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 9 yeses. Well, I ended up being. You had less yeses.
But then dislike. Your dislike and my dislike.
Yeah, I've got like a couple ones like go over a bit that I want to smell again, and then get some recommendations of what would go well, what can work well. God, this is gonna be hard. Quick review, and then see how we go.
I give you chart back,
Okay.
and you can see some symbol in front of the name.
Yeah.
They are all my recommendations.
Okay.
So you remember to check your nuance, the way to check your nuance.
Yeah.
You are going to prepare that things.
Okay.
So first, you're going to find them all,
Okay.
same symbol on the blotter.
Yeah. Okay. This one got 1 circle and 3 triangles. So circle at the back, triangles at the bottom. That's very fresh. Teva's still deciding on his top and middle notes.
It's either the coconut or the fruity.
Really? Can I have a smell of them? I'll give you some opinion.
This is the fruity one.
Oh, yeah, that is. Oof, I think this one, the coconut.
The coconut is pretty good, yeah.
Just keep close. And when you use the pipette today, don't use like this, just from the top.
Okay.
3 drops carefully. Accurate. Okay, you just start with coconut.
Okay. And then 5. I saw E Super. What is this name?
Oh, that's a good musky one.
Okay, close the lid and shake it very well.
Okay.
Over 1 minute.
It's a shaker.
For a minute.
1 minute?
Oh, we've got 8 seconds on the timer, so.
Okay, open the lid, please.
Oh, I love it.
Mm.
I'm happy with that. What happens now?
Oh, okay. That's a small sample test, right?
Yeah.
So, same portion, but different
Oh,
amount.
okay.
You're gonna make
I have to
real perfume.
Oh, you have
Oh,
to
no, now
multiply
we
by-
have to do it again.
Yeah.
So do we have to do 1,000?
Yeah, 200, 300 drops.
Oh,
no,
for real?
just kidding.
Oh,
Okay, let's do the calculation time. Open the calculator from your mobile.
oh yeah.
I feel like in high school again.
Math test. This one's a bit easier. I can just kind of put a bunch in.
The scale.
It's good. Mixing it up. About to get our colognes.
Cheers.
I recommend between 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay. So can't use it for 2 weeks. Damn.
And then you would tell them, this is my own perfume.
Yeah, they're
What
like,
perfume
oh,
is that?
What cologne is that?
Right.
I actually made it myself.
It is 3 drops of...
Yeah, true. If I use it all, then it's all gone. Save it for a very special occasion. Save it for my wedding.
Okay, that's the label for the fabric spray.
Okay, yeah, cool.
You can use this pen and you can write down the name of perfume today or your name.
I found the name for my perfume.
What's that? French. Nice. It's my manly smell. My manly. Those are supposed to be muscles. It looks like I'm wearing a big hoodie though.
On the way to meet the team number 2.
Yeah, see how their DIY day went. I think it's gonna be hard to top ours. Ours was so much fun. So
They will be
cool.
jealous.
They finished like a bit earlier than we did too, so but our whole time we were just making nice smelling things. Like it was such a good time, so keen to see them and show them the new smells and see how they went. So see you there.
Let's go.
Look who it is. Alright, let's see what Ian and Franca made.
As you've seen in Ian's and my part, we did those lovely things. So I just picked one.
Ooh.
Let's start with that one.
Oh, that's really cute. The packaging is so cute.
Yeah, I don't know. Open
Yeah,
it,
right.
bad.
No, you can open it.
Alright.
Reminds me of my Amei bag.
Mm.
I have
Oh,
the Japanese
Is
omamori.
this the ink?
Yeah, that's the
Okay.
ink.
Wow, oh, that's real.
Ooh.
Ooh, oh. So is that, okay. Is that like what the stamp is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is my name
Oh,
in Korean.
Wait, which way is it that?
It's the other way around.
Oh,
It's that
okay.
way, but on the paper you see my name when it's
Oh, okay. Franca. Nice.
printed.
That's cool. This feels like very formal.
Yeah. Now
You can sign with it.
Now I can re-sign my work contract.
Yeah.
With it. But look, and then it has like moon, and
Yeah.
that's moonlight.
Oh, okay. That's what that. Oh, wow. That's really cool.
Yeah, we have to carve it all ourselves.
That was not
Really?
easy.
Carve it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we carved it. Yeah.
Wow. I thought it was like a paint.
No, yeah,
No,
we
yeah,
painted it.
we
but-
carved it and then we painted into
Wow,
the
that's
crevice.
awesome.
My name's a lot more simpler.
Ian.
Shorter.
Ian.
She even like the woman who who showed us how to do it. She even did like for the circles a little hearts.
Ooh.
I
Blue
went with
diamond.
simple.
That's cool
but
though. Blue diamond.
Simple is good.
I think there's a train above us.
It's vibrating.
Vibrating, so it's
Oh, this one's.
That's not enough. Ah, okay. Alright, all just reviewed our own products together. Very fun day of DIY, I'd say. I'm very happy. You guys happy with your stuff?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely recommend to try all these DIY shops, DIY cafes. It's
100.
like it's so rewarding, and also you have like your own little souvenir, which is really
yeah, that's true.
individual.
Yeah.
Instead of buying a souvenir in a shop, you can make your own souvenir.
Yeah,
That's great.
I go home in 2 days, so it's good to bring a little thing back with me that I made here. But yeah, check out all the information in the description of the places we went, the prices, everything like that. Definitely recommend a nice little DIY day in your itinerary, and we'll see you next time.